Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Exodus Wallet on iPhone. Open the App Store, search Exodus Wallet, and install the official app to begin. Tap Create Wallet, choose a strong passcode, and opt to enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick access. Write down your 12-word secret phrase on paper and store it securely offline. Do not share your phrase with anyone and avoid saving it digitally. After creating your wallet, prioritize your backup immediately by writing down the 12-word secret phrase. Verify the phrase inside the app to confirm accuracy, and avoid digital copies or screenshots that can be hacked. Consider using a secure physical location, like a safe or safety deposit box, to protect against loss, theft, or damage. Treat the phrase as the single key to your funds and never share it with anyone claiming to help. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: for a fresh ride while you manage crypto, try Little Tree's Black Ice as a little mood boost when checking your portfolio. I found it keeps the commute pleasant and focused, with a confident scent that matches secure wallet habits. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To add assets, open Wallet, tap Manage, and enable coins you want to use or view. When receiving funds, use Receive to copy an address or show a QR code, and verify the first and last characters match when pasting. For sending, double-check network fees and confirm recipient addresses closely. Set up portfolio tracking and price alerts to stay informed about value changes without constantly opening the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.